Hello guys and welcome to another UK Card Club card review video. Today we are looking at the Bicycle Carnival Elite playing cards. Now this deck is produced by Big Blind Media. It is made by United States Playing Card Company. It is designed by Sam Hales himself, Mr. Dose Prod, and this is probably my favourite Carnival deck out of the Carnival range. It's just I'm a big sucker for red and black, and I'm a big fan of this. It looks very eye-catching to start with. On the sides here, you've got some intricate sort of inlay design. It's reflected on both sides. Now the back is just an awesome mixture of blacks and grayscale with the white and the red. I'm just really digging this. You've got the little unicorns here hidden into the back design. The bottom has got www.bigblindmedia.com, artwork by Sam Hales, doseprod.com, bicycle information. Again, that artwork from the sides continues up onto the top and down the other side. So we're going to get in there. This completes the back, but is actually a little bit on its own there, completing this circle of awesome. So let's get in there. A couple of little designs there on the flaps, and whoa, let's get involved. So here we have the first Joker. It's an eagle. It looks like an eagle. It actually reminds me of I'm not entirely sure which country it is. If you know, can you let me in the comments? There's a country that has this eagle as their national symbol. So it's probably not this exact one, but it looks very similar. Now this deck I have actually looked at previously. I didn't like to handle it too much because with black or reverse decks, you can get scuff marks along the edges and it sort of goes white. And when you fan them out, there's like a distinct white line. So I've tried to avoid that. I've just taken the cards out to have a look at, and I've just put them back. You know, minimal usage. Still very white on the edges. And here we have the Ace of Spades. So it's very nice. It's got the sort of same symbol as on the back of the deck. I've mentioned it before in a couple of other reviews. I really like the intricacy of sort of minimal swirls, and they continue this theme through to the other suits. So you've got this sort of intricate swirls and sort of almost ribbon work. Then you've got the similar symbol in the middle. This one's got 4 circles and this one's got 3. But the symbol's the same. Again, 3 for the clubs. In there with that ribbon sort of swirl work. And then again for the diamonds. I love the sort of... I really like the inlay inside of the background colorings. So sort of like white shapes inside of the spades, and again there's a sort of darker shade inside of the reds. So looking at the faces, they're almost standard, but they sort of have a white outline to accentuate them, and they're more grey than black, as you can see from the stark contrast to the background. But they just stand out very well. They look very nice. Getting into the royalty, they're almost standard faces. They're coloured very well. They've got the similar sort of patterns in the background of all of the colours. Seeing that the hair, in the hat, and it continues through. It's just an incredible piece of art. It's just so nice, and you can see why there's minimal usage on these cards, because I just really want to keep them in a really good condition. So again, similar sort of theme through here. The colouring behind what's essentially a blank face image, it just really brings it to life. The reds with the white background again, and then the black again with the white background to make it stand out. It's just such a nice looking deck. Feels magnificent, looks magnificent. Getting back to the deck itself, let's have a look at the back. And as we saw from the tuck case, it's just a really nice deck of cards. There's almost a real depth to it with the shadow behind the unicorns as it rests against the backdrop. And I'm just a massive fan of it. Talking of fans, pretty darn nice. Handles exactly how you'd expect it to. You know, the United States Playing Card Company air cushion finish, linen finish, magic finish, whatever we call it. You know, it's just a beautiful, beautiful deck of cards. Now, I'm reluctant to even sort of bend them at all because they're just so nice. And as I've mentioned, this is probably, get that the right way up, this is probably my favourite Karnival deck out of all of the Karnival ranges. The ones released by Sam himself, the ones released by Big Blind Media. This is probably my favourite. The Bicycle Elite. The Bicycle Karnival Elite. And it's just a fantastic deck, guys. I thoroughly enjoy playing with it. I thoroughly enjoy looking at it. But I like it too much to let it get damaged. So this is one that's more of a showpiece, more of the one that I'd keep on the shelf, keep safe. But I just love it. So the Bicycle Karnival Elite. Thanks for watching, guys, and I'll catch you next time, and we'll be reviewing something else. Take care.